Prisoner's case changes marijuana search rules in Florida. A major legal ruling in Florida could change the way law enforcement conducts vehicle searches across the state. A state appeals court has ruled that the odor of marijuana alone is no longer enough to justify searching a vehicle without permission, a decision that expands constitutional protections against unreasonable searches and could dramatically impact roadside drug enforcement. The Second District Court of Appeals in Tampa issued the ruling last week in a 13-1 decision, saying officers, deputies, or troopers can't rely solely on smell to establish probable cause. The judges wrote that the smell of cannabis standing alone is insufficient to establish probable cause and pointed out that a separate appeals court in Daytona Beach had already reached the same conclusion in a similar case. Legal experts say this ruling is significant because the smell of marijuana has long been one of the most common justifications police use for vehicle searches. The court even urged the Florida Supreme Court to review the case because of its sweeping implications for law enforcement. The case centers on 35-year-old Darrell Williams, who was serving time in Okeechobee when the decision came down. Williams was sentenced in 2009 for attempted murder and was on probation in 2023 when police in Central Florida stopped a car he was riding in. Officers claimed they smelled marijuana, searched the car, and found drugs, leading to a 10-year sentence for Williams on new charges. Williams' public defender argued that since hemp and medical marijuana are both legal in Florida and smell identical to illegal marijuana, odor alone can't be used as probable cause. The appeals court agreed, saying police acted in good faith at the time, but the law must now reflect the state's evolving cannabis regulations. While the court's decision doesn't automatically overturn Williams' conviction, it does send parts of his case back to the lower court for correction and could influence similar appeals statewide. The ruling means officers must now rely on additional evidence like seeing marijuana residue or drug paraphernalia to justify the search. Defense attorneys call it a victory for privacy rights. Prosecutors, meanwhile, warn it may complicate future drug investigations. For now, the case sets a new statewide precedent, changing the standard for when and how police can search vehicles in Florida.
All right. I got a couple things to say on this.
All right. Give it to me.
All right. First off, if he gets off of this other charge because of this, I'm going to be pissed.
Yeah.
I'm going to be pissed. And if you shouldn't have anything in your car. So the only reason that, you don't want people searching your cars because you're doing something illegal.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. Finally, and I'm just saying this because I know she's watching, this does not give you permission, Rebecca, to smoke in the car. Okay. It's been said. It's been said.
Well, so he was on probation for other offenses. And while on probation, he was in a vehicle that had the smell. And so it was searched and other things were found. And it says other drugs. So I'm assuming other drugs outside of cannabis-related drugs. So, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This guy's a criminal that is using the system.
Yeah.
And they're kind of rewarding him as if it's like he's protecting other citizens' rights.
Yeah.
You're not doing anything illegal. You don't have anything to worry about.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. I'm not. Yeah.
Regardless how you feel about this rule being changed, this guy in particular,
yes,
I don't want this guy in particular to benefit from it because
that's where I was trying to go with that.
Yeah, attempted murder and he's on probation and he's still engaging in illegal shenanigans. Like, come on, dude. Like, please.
And Rebecca made a statement like, if you smell alcohol, that's probable cause.
Yeah.
So.
And rubbing alcohol and mouthwash exists.
Yeah.
Cough syrup exists.
Wouldn't they be able to go, okay, can you show me your
show me your medical card.
Yeah.
And if you don't have it, then it's probable cause.
Yeah.
I would think that would be legit.
So, yeah, I don't like when bad guys get away because of something technical.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. We don't need that.
Nope.
There's a stat that I've been hearing lately that before someone commits a murder, they have a tendency to be arrested and back on the streets 11 times before they commit a murder.
Wow.
Like it's 9 to 11 times that they are in police custody and then are back on the streets before they commit a murder on average, which is wild. And like this guy's it's already attempted. Could we just keep him there, please?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, Kenny, I disagree with you. Yeah, they should worry about what's in your car.
All right.